that starts the brush turning and the back motor. Pull the trigger, drop the side brush, and lift your free. Sorry? Yeah. So, you need to do it in sort of wettish weather. So there, see if you open that up, what that does is it allows you to go towards like sort of damp or moist area. You wouldn't do it in pouring rain, obviously not. But if you want to sweep outside in wet weather, you open that, it just protects that filter, but it allows you to still be able to have a brush turn. Yeah? But pull that trigger, it must stop in 4 times. So if you pull that trigger, that's your side brush. So that is up, that is now down. So you want to get one of these parts there?
No, no. Karcher area needs to
How do you pull the throttle faster, guys?
There's a throttle here, basically, just drags it.
Yeah, and then if you take it really close to that yellow thing, there's the brush. When you come to this one here, there's the brush. And flip all that off and get it as close as you can. I guess that's what it turns, it's protecting.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
And when you want to turn, it's just like pushing it front.
Okay.
I mean, this is what it looks like. So if you switch it on, that's all it's doing. It's spinning and chucking it into. It's a basic machine, but it does a great job.
Can we try it in the library racking, please? Over there.
Yeah.
Can we try it in the library?
Yeah.
Just want to make sure you get it between the aisles.
Obviously, it's quite a. The key, you turn it over there, takes the key out. Put the key in here. You turn it. And when that pops out like that, it allows you to open that. And there's your charger.
Ah.
So that charges into a normal 13 amp 240 volt plug, your normal plug, and then you charge it for about 8 to 12 hours, and then so I always say do it overnight.
Let's try that again.
Yeah.
Let's try close that again.
Close again. That's obviously your key. That usually fits in there. That's off. That's on. And just put it there. Take the key out. Put that in. Turn it. And then there's like, yeah, you got to sort of pull it like there, and then see, pull it out, then that, yeah, and then that's in the wall. Don't worry about that too much. So as the brush wears down, obviously it's not touching the ground as much.
Yeah.
This is more for my engineers when they come and do the service, but you can adjust the downward pressure of the brush height. But what I find is customers think if they go right down, it'll sweep better. It doesn't. It must just flick the ground. That's when it sweeps the best. But you can adjust it. So you'll see there'll be a number there.
Yes.
When you adjust it, you just make sure that number, if that's a 3, that must be 3. And 2 and 2 and 1 and 1.
Yeah, it's the alignment of the machine.
Yeah, exactly that. Other than that, it's a basic machine, but they're effective. They're lovely machines.